How to import SIM contacts on iPhone. To get started, first of all go ahead and open up the Settings application on your phone. Once you're here, scroll down to the end and tap on Apps. You can view all your phone apps over here. Now, search for or scroll down to find Contacts and tap on it. You are now in the Contacts settings page. From here, you can add or remove accounts, manage Siri and search, and customize how contacts appear. Scroll down to the end and tap on Import SIM contacts. All your SIM contacts will now be imported to your phone. This way, you get more control over your experience with the device and how you use it. Following these steps, you can easily import SIM contacts on iPhone. Thank you for watching. Please leave a like if this tutorial helped you, or leave a comment below if you have any questions related to the video.